Perfect. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel today, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Tony TV. You know where it's lit.
Have a blessed day.
Every day, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, today I'm making a this is gonna be another cheap dinner that I got from the grocery store the other day. It's just gonna be some hamburgers and some corn. That's it. Nothing fancy. No lobster, no shrimp, no smothered chicken, no smothered chicken breast and lobster, all that.
What?
Just hamburger and corn. You got something to say, Taja? You want to be on camera, Taja? Huh? Of course not. You never want a video camera. This is my daughter Taja. You know, she used to be with me in my truck videos. My daughter Taja. Now she don't want to be recording with me. I don't know why. Because she acting like a little sucker. But that's alright, Taja. You don't want to be in my video another day. Alright guys, I'm recording like I'm supposed to. I'm using my back camera. Now, the problem with that is I can't see myself as I record. Because if I had my phone the other way, I could see myself and I can make sure that I'm recording properly. But now, as y'all been telling me that I had little black lines in my video, so I fixed that problem. Hopefully y'all won't see that problem no more. So no more of that. This full angle. That's it. Alright. Now, got my hamburgers here, guys. That's my hamburgers. Quarter pounder beef patties. 24.
Yeah, boy.
They're actually pretty good. They're not bad at all. They're like really good, especially if you know how to cook them. They frozen, or if you know how to cook them in a frozen state, they're really good, like really good. All right, guys. So I'm gonna let this corn boil for about. You know, this the corn. Let me show you what kind of corn this is. This is. I'm digging my trash for a second. This is the corn that you have to peel like this. See that? You have to peel off. Fresh out the ground corn that you gotta strip down to the corn. That's what that is. So that's been peeled. See, I'm not used to recording like this. I gotta start getting used to this. Alright, so I'm gonna let that boil for about, I'd say about 20 minutes. I'm gonna let that boil. Then, once I'm done the corn, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw them burgers on. Once that gets done, I'll be back. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. Out these last couple of days, I had gotten some new plants. I've been going crazy with these plants, man. I've been looking online, learning how to rejuvenate them. What's that? Not rejuvenate. What's the word I'm looking for? Regerminate. Where you take a piece of your plant, let it sit, let it do what it do, and then you can replant. Oh, I've been going crazy. Let me show you real quick. Uh-oh. I hear water blowing over. Man, you turn this down. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Alright, we good to go. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Look at these. Look at all that shit. I've been going crazy. Let me set this down. Don't pay Rico no mind. He's asleep. He's knocked out. Alright, these I plucked a couple of days ago. These I plucked the other day. And these I did today. And we just gotta wait for those. Cal just to fix my light. Got me a parsley plant. Yeah. So I'm putting in my food. I got it like this, guys. Don't blame me. It was droopy when I got it. But I since replanted it and everything else. Got me so Got me some pineapples. Oh, I thought she was talking to me. Got me some pineapples. I've been on a pineapple spree. All I've been doing, guys, was eating pineapples all day. Oh my God, they are so good. Look at this pineapple. Look, pineapples, 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 pineapple. Told you, pineapple, crazy. Oh, and I got another one over here. Look, pineapple.
Oh, hell no!
I've been eating the hell out of some pineapples. I don't know why, but I've been craving pineapples all day. So all I've been doing, calm down, calm down. I've been eating pineapples all day. It is so good. I just love I should eat me some now, but I don't want to ruin my appetite because, you know, pineapple got a strong, not a strong aftertaste, but it's strong, and then makes your taste buds up for a while. I will see you later. You know, you can't smell nothing, so I don't know why I'm for it. I know it's, once I crack it open, it's going to be good. I'm going to get to that soon. Alright guys, I am back. Finally got done the corn. Well, one of the corn's done. This one's still cooking. Got the pan heated. Turn it down a little bit. Alright, now it's time to get these burgers, bruh. I got one hand here, guys. Got a bed with me. Get these burgers open. Come on, burgers. Come on, burgers. Hamburger. Alright, guys. Let me hold on, guys. Hold that real quick, Tyler. Hold that. Oh, yeah. Hold on, guys. I'm unorganized. Alright, make sure you're getting all this right, bro. All here. Right there. There you go. Alright, guys. Got the burgers going. Got the pan preheated. These is the best frozen burgers in the world. The best. Alright, put the shot in there right there. Yeah. Yeah. One more, hold on. Yeah. No. Up. Yeah. Look at that sizzle. Listen to that sizzle.
Oh, that little spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
Yeah. Alright, hopefully I can get one more burger in there, guys. Let's put this in there. Hopefully get one more. Voila. Alright, thank you, Tyler. My assistant, thank you. Bam. Just Tyler helping me out with the camera, guys. Alright, guys, we got the hamburgers finally on. Now, let's do, hope that light ain't bothering y'all back there, because I gotta find a good spot to put that light. Alright, guys, I got my season on. Right. So, what we're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and put some of this season oil on here right now. You don't want too much, because you don't want your burgers to be spicy now. Close that up. Chapstick. Alright. You could put some garlic salt. I don't know if y'all can see that in that. I normally put pepper on it after it's done. You could put it on now if you want. I use a lot of Worcestershire sauce, but this Worcester sauce. I use that in everything I cook basically because it's really good. Alright, with this stuff right here, shake it up. Let me open it up. I got one hand, guys. Sorry. You know how it is trying to record and you got one hand. Alright, shook it up. Put a little bit on top. And let that marinate in that burger. Voila. Then you done it. You're gonna let that cook. See, it's not my new pan, not sticking. That's perfect. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic salt to that burger. Because we like garlic salt, so I'm gonna add this garlic salt. Just a little bit, not too much. Because you're still gonna flip it. You're still gonna flip the burger, and then you're gonna put the rest of this stuff on the other side of the burger once you flip the burger. Alright, I had like these big ass boxes here. These big boxes. See how many is in there? That's how many that comes in there. This pack, this pack, this pack, and I just used that pack. Actually, there's a lot of burgers that come in that pack. I think I paid $19 for that big box of burgers, and that's not a bad deal actually. That's not bad at all. You know, $19 you get what? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 burgers. Let's see, 6 times 1, 2, 6 times 4. That's like 25 burgers. You get 25 burgers for $19, and that's not bad at all. And the corn that I got, they had that on sale. 5. And they call ear when they fold like that. Yeah, ears of corn. I had got 5 ears of corn for $2. So you got 5 for $2. And I got 10 corns. So shit, that's not a bad deal, guys. You know, if you ever go to the market and you see these burgers, grab them up. They good. They really good. If I could eat these all day, I would. But every time I try to eat these, them people in there, they're like, oh, you want burgers again? More burgers? Yeah. I can eat these every day, all day. But I'm not done yet, guys. When I'm almost done with the burgers, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut my onions up. I'm gonna put my onions in there. Oh God! Oh, it's gonna be so good. I tell you. Alright, guys. I'm gonna go and let me show you how it looks when I flip it, because this thing's cooking for a good while. Let me flip it. Yeah. Y'all know y'all sell these burgers. Can't go wrong with a good old burger. Look at that, bruh. Alright, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna season this side. And we are done. Don't need the Worcestershire sauce because there's still some in the pan. See? That's the Worcestershire, all the juice around there. That's the Worcestershire sauce. You know what? I could get another burger in there. I'm kind of getting late, so I'm kind of rushing. Goddamn. Sorry, guys. I keep holding y'all so close. All right, I'm gonna get one more burger. Bam. Put that in there. Bam. Turn that up just a smidget. Add that seasoning. Add the Worcestershire sauce. And we're done. Alright, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let these cook for about, these burgers don't take long at all. So I'm going to let these cook for about 3 minutes. That's all it takes, about 3 minutes. So let these cook and I'll be back. Alright, guys, I'm finally done with these burgers right here. So I'm about to take these out. I see that, you asshole. Y'all couldn't see what I seen, but don't pay any mind. Alright, guys. Done these burgers. Taking these out. Told y'all they don't cook long at all. Don't want to overcook your burgers. Never. Alright, so I put new burgers in there already. Alright. So I'm going to set these in the oven that I'm preheating. See? Preheating. And I'm gonna throw that in there so they can stay warm till I'm done. So I'm gonna go over here, get that. There, get that. Throw that in there. And throw that in there. Alright guys, so like I showed y'all before, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna season these up really good. Get a little garlic salt in there. And get the Worcester sauce, 1 drop, 1 or 2 drops. Don't need much. And voila. Let those cook on that side for about 3 minutes. Flip it over, another 3 minutes. And that's basically it, guys. That's a cheap, affordable meal that you can make for when you ain't got the funds or running low on funds, you know. I know it's kind of hard out here for a lot of people these days. So, you know, the last couple of videos I've been doing little cooking editorials, I guess I would say, about trying to make cheap meals. This is one of them, hamburgers, corn, hamburgers, corn. Nothing that'll break your pockets, you know. Corn, $5. Yeah. Corn, $5, and the hamburgers, about $5, I say as well. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Smash that like button, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.
Perfect.